Hi, my name is Rehan and I'm an entrepreneur from Pakistan. Today's course is about how to make copies of yourself. Why would somebody want to make copies of yourself? I thought everybody wanted to be original, right? Well, I want a lot of copies of myself because then I can have people who I enjoy working with, I love working with, they can understand me very easily, very quickly, without a lot of resistance, and they know what I know, therefore they can do the tasks which I need to do really quickly. So this particular course is not about making clones of yourself, but basically sharing the information, sharing the knowledge which you have with others. So this is my attempt of decoding on how we can scale ourselves, have a lot of people like ourselves around us, so that we can do whatever we want to do very quickly. I come from Pakistan and we have 250 million population, and there are not many people in this country who are like me. However, there are a lot of people, and most of the people make less than $100 a month. So this way, if somebody wants to become me, or if somebody becomes me, I can work with them and I can pay them much more than $100 a month. I can pay them, much more. And this is my attempt of cloning myself and allowing others to take advantage of the 3 billion people in the world who make less than $100 a month to become like themselves, become like you, so that they can work with you faster, quick, and have the traits which you have, which make you you. So this is the reason for this course, and I hope you enjoy it. This is my first attempt I am making on this course and book, so that we can then have a better version next time. This is how I learn. This is my way of sharing what I know and learning more than what I know by giving out what I already know, so that the feedback loop allows me to grow even further. So thank you for watching. Thank you for trying to go through this course. I hope you complete it and do send me the feedback so that we can make a better version next time. Happy cloning yourself.